All right, guys, if I told you there was a ride that's part boat ride, part dark ride, part water coaster, and part roller coaster, would you believe me? Well, that's exactly what Journey to Atlantis at SeaWorld Orlando is, and today I'm breaking it all down for you. The good, the bad, and whether or not it's worth riding in 2025. So Journey to Atlantis has been around for a while now, and it's honestly one of the most unique rides at SeaWorld Orlando. You start off thinking it's just going to be a chill little boat ride themed around the mythical lost city of Atlantis, but trust me, it turns into way more than that. Let's talk about the opening scene, the indoor dark ride portion. This is easily one of my favorite parts of the ride. You've got neon lights glowing all around you, the music blasting in the background. It honestly feels magical, like you're actually entering Atlantis. But here's the thing. There used to be this really cool Medusa pop-out animatronic effect. She would suddenly appear and freak people out right before the adventure kicked into high gear. Unfortunately, that effect doesn't work anymore. Instead, SeaWorld has replaced it with some lights and sound effects. It's fine, but honestly, it doesn't have the same impact. I really wish they'd fix that effect because it was such a standout moment. After that section, you head up not one, but two chain lifts, building the suspense. And then comes the big drop, that huge splashdown that looks insane from the outside. But here's the surprise. You don't actually get that wet on it. You get a little spray, but not a full soak, which I think is perfect if you don't want to walk around drenched. Then the ride slows down a bit as you float around outside. You think, okay, it's just going to be a nice, relaxing boat ride back to the station. But nope. Out of nowhere, there's this tiny little drop. And that's the one that gets you soaked. Like, the big drop fools you, but the tiny drop is the one you really have to watch out for. After that, you go up another chain lift, and here's where the ride flips the script again. Suddenly, you're on a legit roller coaster track. It's fast, it's fun, and it feels totally different from the water ride section. Then it dives back down into the water with one last splash to end the adventure. It's honestly such a creative ride layout that mixes so many different ride types into one experience. So here's the deal. Back when the Medusa effect worked, this ride was an easy 9 out of 10 for me. It had the thrills, the immersion, and that extra wow factor. But in its current state, with that effect missing, I'd say it's more of a 6 out of 10. Still good, still worth riding, but not quite as magical as it once was. That said, I still recommend checking it out if you're at SeaWorld Orlando, because you're not going to find another ride like this anywhere else. It's a dark ride, a water ride, and a roller coaster all wrapped into one. That's just awesome. All right, guys, that's my full review of Journey to Atlantis at SeaWorld Orlando. But now I want to hear from you. Have you ridden it recently? Did you get soaked on that sneaky little drop? Drop your thoughts in the comments below because I love hearing your ride stories. And if you enjoyed this review, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. And if you want more coaster reviews, POVs, and theme park adventures, make sure to subscribe to Matt Machine so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next ride.